Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi and I'm here to share some healthy and tasty recipes that you can make for your child's tiffin. Today we're going to make Doodhi Muthia. Now this is a classic Indian dish, but we're giving it an international twist. So come along and let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So for this recipe, we're going to use multigrain flour. Now this is rich in fiber. And I'm going to use some Besan, again rich in protein. Some rava, semolina to this, Doodhi, and it'll taste absolutely fine. I'm going to add some cumin powder, a little bit of salt, pinch of baking soda. I'm not going to add any water because the bottle gourd or the doodhi has enough of water, although I've squeezed it out. So now to this, I'm going to add some Kissan Mexican Salsa Sauce. This will give it that nice zingy taste and the color that I want. And just knead this like you would any other dough or the roti you make at home. Now I'm just going to divide this into two parts and roll it into a cylindrical form or a log. I have the burner on. So I'm ready to put this in the steamer, but before that I'm just going to oil the surface just a little bit. I'm going to place the muthia on this. So I'm going to let this steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm going to make the tadka. So it's been steaming for about 15 minutes and the muthia is ready. So I'm going to turn the burner off and let it cool. So I'm putting some oil in here. I've got some chopped onions and I've got some jeera or cumin. The tempering's done. I'm just going to turn the burner off, add some coriander leaves which I've chopped really fine. I'm going to add the Kissan Mexican Salsa. This is the kind of twist we're talking about to a very classic Indian dish. The tempering's ready. I'm just going to put it on the muthia now. And now that our makeover for this classic dish is done, I'm ready to pack it in the tiffin. I'm going to put in about 3 to 4 muthia pieces in the dabba. That makes for one good serving. And now I'm going to add some raisins to this. And we have some nicely cut kiwi fruit as well. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these and send us your comments and feedback. And watch this space to know how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.